Good morning to all of you. So yesterday we covered. Yesterday we covered.
Hello.
Please mute all of you. So yesterday we covered the problems related to divisibility conditions. So all of you understood what is the divisibility condition for 2, what is the divisibility condition for 3? Yes. So write down the next question, ma. Write down. Find the least value of x. Find the least value of x. Tell me, ma, Sachin. Once if you pay the fee, you will get the practice questions and videos also. Tell me, ma, Sachin.
Hello, sir.
Tell me, ma.
Sir, are you comfortable with Hindi, sir?
English is the better, ma.
Okay, sir. Sir, from previous session, sir, you covered, sir, topic divisibility condition. Sir,
Yes, ma.
there was one topic for 6. For 6,
There is
as you said, sir, 6 is a composite number.
yes, ma.
Sir,
The
sir,
number
you divided.
both 2 and 3.
Yes, sir. And you said that composite numbers can be divided into 2 prime numbers.
Yes, ma.
Sir, I want to ask that can this condition be applied on 4 and 8? As 4 is a multiple of 2 and 2 is a prime number, and 8 can be divided into 2 into 2 into 2.
Yes, ma.
So,
But
sir, can this?
yeah,
Yes, sir.
you asked the correct one.
Yes, sir. So, sir, 4, 2 into 2. So, sir, 2 divides. If I take example 3 to 06, 3
Yes,
to 06 is not divisible by 4, but it is divisible
yeah.
by 2.
Listen, ma, all of you. So one of your friend asked that. For example, 12 is there. Yesterday I given 6, ma. I said that 6 is a composite number. That is the reason the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Then only the given number is exactly divisible by 6. But if they ask 12, the possibilities 3 into 4 possible, 6 into 2 possible. Understood all of you? So whenever 3 into 4 and 6 into 2, which one is the correct is our concept. Yes, Sachin?
Sir, both are correct.
No, both are not correct. No. Both are not correct. So because here 3 comma 4, what are the factors for 3?
1 and 3.
Everyone please concentrate. What are the factors of 4? 1 to 4 na?
Yes, sir.
So out of 1 comma 3 and 1 comma 4, what are the common factors?
So 1.
Only one. Only one. Okay. So here, what are the factors for 6? 1, 2, 3, 6 na? Say sir, no. 1 comma 2. What are the common factors? What are the common factors?
1 and 2.
1 and 2. Okay. So out of 1 and 2 is the common factor. Which one is the greatest common divisor or highest common factor?
2, sir.
Highest common factor. 2 nena. So here ma, there is only one common factor. May I say that that is the only highest common factor? Least is 1 and highest is also 1. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we have a concept co-prime numbers. So co-prime is nothing but the highest common factor of any two numbers is equal to 1. Then we say that both are co-prime. Numbers. Okay. A comma B or A comma B need not be prime numbers. A comma B need not be prime numbers. A comma B need not be prime numbers, ma. Okay, A comma B need not be prime numbers. Understood, all of you? So we have to take co-prime pair. Here, out of 12, 3 comma 4, 3 into 4 and 6 into 2. 3 into 4, the highest common factor is 1. So this is the co-prime pair. We can take this one only. But coming to 6 into 2, it is not co-prime. It's not co-prime. So whenever it is not co-prime number, then don't consider this one, ma. Don't
That
consider
means,
this one.
sir, we have to first find the HCF, means greatest common divisor.
Yeah.
If the
every time.
greatest common divisor is 1, then we can take that pair.
Yes, ma. And moreover, while practicing, you may understood shortly. Okay. So whether we have to find the co-prime directly or not. Okay. No need to find every time because we don't have that much of time. But the concept is hidden in that one.
Okay, sir.
So if you have to
Thank
take
you.
4 nothing but 2 into 2. The number is not only divisible by 2. The number should be divisible by both 2 and 2. 2 times 2. Yes.
Yes, sir.
The highest common factor is always it is equal to 2 nena.
Yes, sir.
So except prime number after 10, the logic is the co-prime pair you have to take. The HCF of A comma B is 1. But coming to 12, okay, all those are the composite numbers after 10. 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. Okay, all these are the prime numbers. Every prime number has a different logic. But it is not possible to remember all the logics at a time. But don't worry, in exam point of view, they may give the logics up to 11 at most. Clear? Yeah, write down. What is the least value of x? What is the least value of x? Such that the number 7381 8x4 divisible by 8. 8x4 divisible by 8. Divisible by 8. So what is the divisibility condition for 8? We have to focus on the last 3 digits, ma. We have to focus on the last 3 digits. If the last 3 digits are divisible by 8, then the whole number is divisible by 8. So what are the last 3 digits? 8x4. So 8x4. If 8x4 is divisible by 8, the possible value in place of x is, for example, 8 1 are 8. There is no problem with that. Coming to this one, ma. Oh, coming to this one, 8 3s are 24. Nothing but x value 2. Again, 8 8s are 64. X value 6. The possible values in place of x 2 comma 6. Out of that, we have to go for the least value. So what is the least value? 2 is the answer. Good Maram, Sachin. Clear all of you? Next one. Next one. A number is formed by writing. A number is formed by writing the first 67 natural numbers in front of each other as 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 and so on 10 11 12 and 13. What is the remainder? What is the remainder when this number is divided by? What is the remainder when this number is divided by 8? Dinesh, did you get it my previous example? So Dinesh, did you understand previous example? So yesterday, did you attend it or not? The divisibility condition for 8 is the last 3 digits of the given number is divisible by 8, then the whole number is divisible by 8. So the last 3 digits of the number is 8x4. If 8x4 is divisible by 8, what is the least value of x? For example, x value is that may be 0, that may be 1, that may be 2, that may be 3, and so on up to 9. If x value 0, 804, 804 is not divisible by 8 ma. 8 hundreds are 800, so 804 is not divisible. For example, if you have to take 814, 814, 8101 jar 808, 8101 jar 808, so it is also not exactly divisible. But if you have to take x value to 800 jar 800 plus 8 3s are 24. So x value possibility is 2. So that is the least value na. Yes ma Dinesh. So they are not asking the possible value. They are asking that only the least value. Next one. Different example. A number is formed by writing first 67 natural numbers in front of each other as 1 2 3 4 5 10 11 12 and so on up to 67 ma. What is the remainder? What is the remainder when this number is divided by 8? What is the remainder when this number is divided by 8? So please understand ma, whether it is the 3-digit number or whether it is a 4-digit number, any digit number, if it is divisible by 8, you have to focus on last 3 digits only. Clear all of you? Yesterday I already explained about this. But the number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and so on, 64, 65, 66, 67 like that ma. Okay, so whenever the number is like that, so they asked that if this number is divisible by 8, then what is the remainder? Don't think about sir how many digits are there, and don't read the number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, it is 1, 2, 3. We don't want to read 1, 2, 3. It is 123. Like that, here only 3 digits are there. That is the reason we read it as 123 directly. We don't know how many digits are there. Get it all of you? So it seems like both the numbers are same. Here 3 digits, here the number of digits are more. That may be 3-digit number or 10-digit number or 100-digit number. The last 3 digits is the divisibility condition for 8 ma. Last 3 digits is nothing but 667. If 667 is divided by 8, then the remainder is what? 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64. 2 is there, 27. 8 3s are 24. So what is the remainder? Out of 27, 24. What is the remainder? 3 is the answer. The problems looks like a different one, but there is no issue with that examples ma. Next one. Next one. A number is as much greater than 36. A number is they mentioned na by writing all the natural numbers from 1 to 67. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to 67. Before 67, 64, 65, 66, 67, 63, 62. All those are the numbers between 1 to 67 only, Naram. Read the problem clearly, everyone. Take more time to read the problem. Then only we may improve our problem solving techniques. A number is as much greater than 36. Yas is less than 86. Yas is less than 86. Then find the number. So all of you paid the amount. So once if you pay the amount, you may get some at the beginning of the class also I told practice questions, videos. Ram, did you paid? So what about the remaining? Dinesh, Mayur. I think Mayur, this is the first class for you. Rinku Naik paid. Good, ma'am. So you will get the material shortly, don't worry. So a number is how much greater than 36? We don't know, but the number is read the problem, understand the concept. The number is more than 36 ma. The number is greater than 36. And the same number is less than 86. And the same number is less than 86 now. Get it all of you. So the number is how much more than 36? 37 possible, 38 possible, 39 possible, 40, 41, 42. Okay. The same number is less than 86 means 85, 84, 82, 83, 81, 80, 79. Which one is correct? We don't know. So that is the reason they mentioned clearly. X is how much more than 36? With the same difference, the number is less than 86. The difference between X and 36 and the difference between 86 and X is same. 86 and X is same. So X minus 36 is equal to 86 minus X. And if really understand a number is as much, how much more than 36? As is, that number is less than 86. So indirectly, that is the middle number between 36 and 86. Middle number between 36 and 86. We know how to find the middle number. 36 plus 86 by 2. Do it fast, X minus 36 is equal to 86 minus X. X plus X. 2X is equal to 36 plus 86, 122. Then find the value of X. Good, Mayur. 61. Pramod, get it, ma? Next one. Next one. If 6 is subtracted from 7 times a certain number, if 6 is subtracted from 7 times a certain number, the result is 5 times the number. The result is 5 times the number. Then find the number. So let us assume the number is screen is displayed or not displayed. Let us assume X is the number. If 6 is subtracted from 7 times the number, nothing but 7x minus 6. 6 is subtracted from 7 times. That is the reason 7x minus 6. Be careful, not 6 minus 7x. Then the result, nothing but it is equal to 5 times the number. Is it possible to go for the value of X? Do it fast. Seven x minus 5x. is equal to 2x is equal to 6. Then find the value of x ma. X is equal to 6 by 2. Do it fast. What is the answer? Good ma Pramod. So write down important concept. Units digit concept. Units digit concept. So I want to complete this sub concept in one day because it may take nearly 20 minutes time for the introduction part. So if you really understand, there is no problem. That is the reason ma. So units digit concept, case number 1. So what is the concept? Please understand. Everyone, please see the screen. Yeah. All of you, please listen ma. For example, 723 is the number. 723 is the number. There is no power. What is the last digit of the given expression? What is the last digit of the given expression? So what is the last digit of the given expression?
So 3.
3. Yes. So if they give 723 whole square, 723 whole square means 723 into 723. What is the last digit of the given expression? I don't want the complete value of 723 into 723. But in
So
723 into
9.
723, what is the last digit ma? 9. So that 9 is depends on 3 and 3 nena. Yes. So 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 3 is 9. Nothing but 723 into 723 depends on 3 into 3. 3 into 3. Nothing but it is equal to 3 square. 723 whole power 3. Nothing but 723 into 723 into 723. What is the last digit of the given expression? Depends on this 3 into this 3 into this 3. So what is the value of 3 into 3? What is the value of 3 into 3? 9
9.
into 3?
27.
7. Nothing but 7 is the last digit of the given expression. Hai yes. So this is depends on 723 whole power 3 depends on 3 power 3. 3 power 3. So that may be 723 or 123 or 243. The last digit is 3 only. That may be 723 whole square or 243 whole square or 923 whole square or 103 whole square. The last digit is 9. 723 whole cube or 823 whole cube or 943 whole cube. The last digit is depends on 3 power 3. The last digit is depends on 3 power 3. 7 ma. Clear all of you. So by understanding this, the problem is not with the remaining digits. The problem is the last digit of the base and the power. The last digit of the base and the power. We need to consider the last digit of the base and the power ma. Understood all of you? So 723 whole power, 723 whole power 948. 723 whole power 948. It is depends on 3 power 948 है ना 3 power 948 like 723 whole square 723 whole power 3 means 3 power 3. 723 whole power 948 means 3 power 948. Like that, ma. Understood, all of you? So based on this concept, if in this place that may be 1 power, 2 power, 3 power, and so on up to 9 power, then what is our concept here? So write down case number 1. Case number 1. Case number 1. If the last digit of the base is 0, if the last digit of the base is 0, comma 1, comma 5, comma 6, and the power is anything, and power is anything, then last digit is, and power is anything, and last digit is, and last digit is itself. Last digit is itself. So what is the meaning of that one? Is please concentrate, ma. The last digit is itself. So for example, what is the value of 0 power 1? What is the value of 0 power 1? 0. 0 power 2? 0. 0 power 3? 0. If you observe properly, the power of 0 is 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 0. The power of 0 is anything. The last digit should be 0. That may be 120 power anything, 220 power anything, 340 power anything, 1000 power anything. The last digit should be 0 only. Next one, if it is 1, 1 power 1, 1, 1 power 2, 1, 1 power 3 also 1. So what you observed? 1 power is anything 1. 1 power is anything 1. 1 power is anything 1. And moreover, coming to 5 power 1, if we have to take 5 power 1, 5, 5 power 2, 25, nothing but 5 power 2 ending with what? 5 power 2 ending with 5 na? 5 power 3, 125. Sir, I don't know what is the value of 5 power 3, 125 directly. Then 5 power 2 into 5. Already we know 5 power 2 is ending with 5. So 5 into 5 5. So 25 is not the value of 5 power 3, but 5 power 3 is also ending with 5 only. 5 power 4, we don't know 625 or anything. It can be written as 5 power 3 into 5 power 1. This 5 power 3 is ending with 5, we know, into 5 power 1, nothing but 5. So 5 into 5, 25 is not the value of 5 power 4, but 5 power 4 is also ending with 5. So 5 power 1, 5 power 2, 5 power 3, the last digit should be 5. So the power of 5 is anything, the answer should be 5. The same thing is also applicable for 6 ma. 6 power 1, 6, 6 square, 36 means 6 only. 6 power 3, 216. If you don't know the value of 6 power 3, 216, what will you do? Please get the concept. Okay. 6 power 3. If you don't know the value of 2 power 16, 6 square into 6 ma. We know 6 square means 36. It is ending with 6 only. 6 into 6, 36. 36 is not the value of 6 power 3, but 6 power 3 is also ending with 6 only. 6 power 1, 6 power 2, 6 power 3. The power of 6 is anything. The last digit is itself. So 0 power is anything 0. 1 power is anything 1. 5 power is anything 5. And 6 power is anything 6. So please note down if you want why the last digit is itself. So 0 power 0, 1 power 1, 5 power 5, 6 power 6. Hope all of you understood. The possibility, there is a chance to give the examples like this. For example, 216 whole power 424. We have to focus on 6 power 424 ma. Whenever the 6 power is anything, it looks like the 6 power is 424. The 6 power is anything. The last digit is 6 na? And 5 power 625. 5 power is anything 5. 0 power is anything 0. And 6 power is anything 6. Please understand, we have to focus on the last digit. That may be 216, that may be 316, that may be 416, that may be 126. Any number ending with 6 and the power is 424, the answer is 6 only. Next one. Second point. Second point. If the last digit of the base is either 4 or 9, 0, 1, 5, 6 completed ma. If the last digit of the base is 4 or 9, then the last digit of the given expression depends on the power. So please understand the meaning. In what way 4 power and 9 power, the last digit is depends on the power. Yeah, 4 power 1 is how much ma? 4 power 1 Ram. 4 power 2, good ma Pramod. 4 power 2 16. Okay, so 16 means 6 na? 16 means 6 na? Our concept is only the last digit ma. 4 power 1 4, 4 power 2 6. Again 4 power 3. I already told, sir, if you don't know the value of 4 power 3, 64, then what will you do? 4 power 3 means 4 square into 4. 4 square is ending with Ram. It is not 4 into 3 Ram. Before giving the answer, the basic things. Four power 2, we know already ending with 6 ma. So 6 into 4, 24. 24 is not the value of 4 power 3, but 4 power 3 should be ending with 4. If you don't know the value, direct value 64. 4 power 4 ma. 4 power 4 is ending with 4 power 3 into 4. 4 power 3 is 4. 4 into 4, 6 ma. 16 is not the value of 4 power 4, but 4 power 4 is also ending with 6. So what you observe? 4 power 1 4, 4 power 2 6, 4 power 3 4, 4 power 4 is 6, 4 power 5 4, 4 power 6 is also 6 ma. 4 power 1, 4 power 3, 4 power 5, alternative powers 4, 4 power 2, 4 power 4, 4 power 6 ma, 6. The values are repeated. The values are repeated. 4 power 1, 4 power 3, 4 power 5. All those are odd powers. If the power of 4 is the odd power, the answer is 4. If the power of 4 is the even power, the answer is 6 ma. Just you have to identify whether the given power is the even power or odd power. The same condition is also applicable for 9. 9 1 jar 9, 9 square 81 means 1, 9 cube 729. Otherwise 1 into 9, 9 into 9. So 9 power 1, 9 power 3, 9 power 5, 9, 9 square, 9 power 4 and 9 power 6, 1 ma. So 9 power odd is 9, 9 power even is 1. So please observe everyone. 4, 6, 4, 4, 6, 6, 9, 9, 1, 1. Alternatively repeated ma. 4 power even 6, 4 power odd is 4. That is the meaning of that one. Please note down 4 power odd is equal to 4, 4 power even is equal to 6, 9 power odd is equal to 9 and 9 power even is equal to 1. Please note down those 4 things. Just you have to identify whether the given power is even number or odd number. It's enough to get the value. Yeah, write down point number 3. Point number 3. If the last digit of the base is 0156 completed, 4, 9 completed, 2, 3, 7, 8. These are the only 4 pending ma. The logic for 2, 3, 7, 8 is same. If the last digit of the base is 2, 3, 7, 8, then the last digit of the given expression depends on the power and the following method. There is no problem with the point number 1 and there is no problem with the point number 2 also. Okay. So before explaining the third point, you may lose the marks from the third point ma. Write down the third point. Everyone, please note down 2 power 1. What is the value of 2 power 1? 2 power 2, 4, 2 power 3, 8. If you don't know the value, please understand 2 power 3, 8, 2 power 4, 16 means 6, 2 power 5, 32. Otherwise, if you don't know the value of 2 power 5 directly, 2 power 5 means 2 power 4 into 2, nothing but 6 into 2, nothing but 6 into 2. Six into 2, 2. Again 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 6. If you observe clearly, the values are repeated for every 4 iterations. 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, 8, 6. The power of 2 is anything. The power of 2 is anything. The last digit should be any one digit from 2, 4, 8, 6 compulsory, whether you observed or not. The same logic is applicable for 3 also. Please note down only 4 values, ma. No need to write 8 values. No need to write 8 values, ma. Please note down only 4. 3 power 1, 3. 3 power 2, 9. 3 power 3, 27 means 7. 3 power 4 is 81 means 1. 3971. 3971 repeated. Important concept for AMCAT exam. 3971. 3971 is repeated, ma. 7 power 1. Please note down 4 values. 7 power 2. 7 power 3, 343. Otherwise 9 7 jar, 3 7 jar. 7931. 7931. The values are repeated. 8 power 1, 8. 8 square 64, 4. 8 power 3, 512 means 2. 8 power 4. If you don't know 8 power 3 into 8, ma, 2 into 8, 16. 8426, 8426 like that. Hope all of you understood. So please note down 4 values. 2 power 1 to 2 power 4. 3 power 1 to 3 power 4. 7 power 1 to 7 power 4 and 8 power 1 to 8 power 4. Then we'll go for the concept. Do it fast, ma. Write down. So for example, please understand, ma, there is a problem with the implementation also. Everyone, please concentrate. 2 power 21 is given. 3 power 62 given. 7 power 203 given. The logic for 2378 is same. 8 power 252 is given. Possibilities, ma. Okay. The power is anything. Don't think that, sir, why you are taking 252. You have to take 2052. No problem. Clear, all of you. For 2, 3, 7, 8, the values are repeated for every how many iterations? The values are repeated for every how many iterations? 4 iterations. So that is the reason. Step number one. Power is divided by 4. Power is divided by 4. Whenever power is divided by 4, we have to focus on the reminders. We have to focus on the reminders, ma. So whenever a number is divided by 4, the remainders are less than 4 or more than 4 also. Whenever a number is divided by 4, the possible remainders are less than 4, that may be 0, that may be 1, that may be 2, that may be 3. 4 is not possible, 5 is not possible. Yes. So if the remainder is 1, if the remainder is 1, our concept ma, once if you know 8 power 252, step number 1, power is divided by 4, 21 by 4. What is the remainder? 4 5s are 20. What is the remainder? 4 5s are 20. What is the remainder ma? 1. 3 power 62. 3 power 62. 62 divided by 4. 4 15s are 60. What is the remainder? Dinesh. 4 15s are 60. What is the remainder? 2. 203 is the remainder. 203 by 4. 4 50s are 200. What is the remainder? 3. 252 by 4. I already said for 4 the divisibility condition is last 2 digits. So 252 by 4. 252 by 4. 4 13s are 52. 4 13s are 52. So what is the remainder? 0. Good ma. Rinku Naik. The possible remainders are 1 2 3 0. So if the remainder is 1, if the remainder is 1, then power is completely replacing with 1 ma. Then power is completely replacing with 1. Then power is completely replacing with 1. If the remainder is 2, then power is 2. Then power is completely 2. If the remainder is 3, if the remainder is 3, then power is also 3. If the remainder is 0, then power is not 0 ma, it is 4. So in what way it is 4, I will explain, don't worry. Yeah, listen ma, here whenever a power is divided by 4, the remainder is 1. My concept is whenever the power is divided by 4, if the remainder is 1, the whole 21 is the power, the whole 21 replacing with the remainder 1. What is the value of 2 power 1? What is the value of 2 power 1? 2 nena? Yes. And here if 2 is the remainder, if 2 is the remainder, the whole power ma, the whole power 3 power is replacing with 62, replacing with the remainder 2. Nothing but 3 power 2 is what? 9. Whenever the remainder is 3, 7 power is completely replacing with the remainder 3. 7 power 3, 3. 8 power, whenever the remainder is 0, power becomes 4. 8 power 4 is 6. Please understand ma, in my point of view, 2 power 1 and 2 power 21 both are same. 2 power 1 and 2 power 21 both are ending with 2 only. Smaller power, just you have to check with the manually also, no problem. Please communicate ma everyone. What is the value of 2 power 1? What is the value of 2 power 1? 2 power 2? 4. 2 power 3? 8. 2 power 4? 6 ma. Again 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7, 2 power 8 repeated, 2 power 9, 2 power 10, 2 power 11, 2 power 12, 2 power 13, 2 power 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 ma. What is the 2 power 21 value? 2. So put 2 power 21 and 2 power 1 both are same. So that is the clarity about the, if the remainder is 1, power becomes 1. If the remainder is 2, power becomes 2. If the remainder is 3, power becomes 3. If the remainder is 0, power becomes 4. Why the remainder is 0? 2 power 4 is what the value? 2 power 4 ma. The logic is same for 2, 3, 7, 8. 2 power 4. 2 power 1 is 2 nena. Again, what is the value means what? What the meaning, Pramod? What is the meaning? What is the value means? Which value required? 2 power 9 repeated na? And swan means what? 2 power 1, 2, 2 power 2, 4, 2 power 3, 8, 2 power 4, 6, 2 power 5, 2, 4, 8, 6, and swan. What does that mean? So 2 power 4 is 6 ma. 2 power 8 is also 6. Next one, 2 power 12 is also 6. 2 power 16 is also 6. 2 power 20 is also 6. If you observe clearly, all are multiples of 4 only. If the powers are divided by 4, the remainder is 0. Whenever the remainder is 0, power becomes 4. Whenever the remainder is 0, power becomes 4, because 2 power 4 and 2 power 20 both are same in terms of the last digit. 2 power 4 and 2 power 16 both are same. 2 power 4 and 2 power 12 both are same. Get it? So just you do, the power is divided by 4. You have to focus on the remainder. If the remainder is 1, if the remainder is 2, if the remainder is 3, if the remainder is 0, then what will we do? Please plan accordingly. Okay. So any doubt up to that? So tomorrow I will see the, it means that Monday we'll go for the examples also. Don't worry about it. So any doubt up to that? The examples are like this, ma'am. 7 power 253. What is the last digit? So we know the conditions now. 7 power 253. First of all, step number 1. 253 is divided by 4. Last two digits you have to focus. 53 by 4. 4 13 there 52. The remainder is 1. Whenever the remainder is 1, the whole power replacing with 1. 7 power 1 is 7. 2013 whole power 2014 ma. 3 power 2014. So if it is the 3, you have to divide it by 4. 14 by 4. 4 3 is 12. What is the remainder? 2. So 3 power 2 is what? 9. That is the answer. So 0156. The power of 0156 is anything. Answer itself. 4 or 9. You have to focus on even power or odd power. For 2, 3, 7, 8, you have to go with divided by 4. Concentrate on the remainder. Yama Dinesh, get it? Clear? Okay. So tomorrow no class, Sunday. Happy Sunday to everyone. But please spend some time to revise the notes for these 3 days. Try to take the decision to pay the amount also. 2 power 4. 16 means 6 na Sachin? Yeah, tell me, ma.
Sir,
Tell me, Sachin.
hello. Sir, I have taken example 2 power 8.
Okay.
Sir, I want to divide 8 by 4.
Yes, ma.
So, sir, 8 by 4 is equal to 0. Remainder I will get 0.
Yes, ma. 2 power 8, 8 by 4, remainder is 0. Nothing but whenever the remainder is 0, the power becomes 4 na?
Sir, when remainder is 0, the power becomes 4.
Yes, ma. What it indicates, ma? 0 means it is a multiple of 4 na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so 2 power 8, 2 power 12, 2 power 16, 2 power 20. I already explained before that.
Yes, sir. 2 power 0. Yeah, okay, sir.
And moreover, one thing, ma, no need to go for the doubt, okay? Because in your point of view, 2 power 0 is 1, okay? But remember, 2, 4, 8, 6 are the values. 2, 4, 8, 6 are the values for 2 power. Did you remember? Say yes or no. So other than this possible, whenever a number, if you want to take ends with 2, the answers are any one of the digit from 2, 4, 8, 6 na?
Yes. Yes,
So
sir.
one is not possible. One is never not possible, ma. Okay. Any doubt?
Okay, sir.
Thank you, ma. Any doubt? Thank you, ma. All the best.